Okay, we have a special lesson about S. Sometimes S is at the end of a word, and sometimes at the end of a word, the S can say the Z sound. Sometimes it says its regular S sound, but sometimes at the end of a word, it can say Z. So some examples of that are, like for the Z sound would be like tools. My dad has some tools. And even though it's spelled with an S, it makes a Z sound. That S makes the Z sound. Or maybe braids. Braids. That S, even though it normally says S, at the end of a word, it can say Z. Sometimes it just says its regular sound, like cups. I drank 2 cups of water. That's how thirsty I was. Cups. This time it just said its regular S sound. And maybe hats. I have 2 baseball hats now. Hats. Sometimes the ending S says its regular sound S. Sometimes it says Z at the end, and sometimes it says S at the end. So now we're going to build some words that have ending S sounds in them, just maybe 3 of them. Okay, so the first word we're going to build is. And I have some letters here, and you know their sounds. Let's go ahead and say their sounds. Oops, I think I'm leaving one off of the screen. This P over here. Let's say their sounds. Ah, I, S, P. And Mrs. Gillum wants you to spell the word is. So, I, oh, I, is. What? There's no Z's up there. What could make the Z sound? The S can make a Z sound at the end of a word. Yay, we spelled the word is. Okay, now we're going to spell the word his. You know what? I'm not going to take those down because that says is. I just need a beginning letter that spells the sound. So I'll say is, his. Which one makes the? That's it. H says. So now it says is, his. Okay. Last word we're practicing with an ending Z sound is, put that there, has. Has. Okay, what's the beginning sound in has? I had to break that apart. Oh, H makes the sound. That's it. Has. What? There's no Z up there. Don't worry, there's an S. An S sometimes makes the Z sound when it's at the end of a word. Okay, good job. Let's just spell 3 more, and there won't be any funny business with the Z sound at the end. Let's make one that says ham. This says ha. Which of these can be used to end the word ham? That will spell that sound. Ham. That one says So this word, when we blend it, says ham. Ham. Okay. And for this next one, let's take it out. Let's spell him. Him. H, I. What spells I? I, him, him. Good job. And one more. This one is going to say hip, hip. That's almost like him, but the ending sound is different. It's a p. So, oops. H. What's next? Hip, hip, I. Oh, I says I. Hip, P. Hip. Good job.